craving breadsticks on a low-carb plan? It's one of my favorite appetizers. I nailed it. I'm Dietitian Shelly. Join me in the kitchen.
Preheat that oven to 350 degrees. I cannot wait to share this amazing recipe with you. Grab an egg, 75 calories, 7 grams of protein. Grab a fork, give it a little whisk. And now, I guess you could use a real whisk. I mean, first off, I ain't got time for that. Second off, I ain't got fancy equipment. I'm bougie on a bayou, y'all. My stuff be coming from Walmart and Kroger. So there ain't nothing fancy in this kitchen. Add to this a cup of mozzarella cheese. Again, y'all know where I buy all my groceries. The Kroger, the Walmart, the Dollar Tree, the Drug Emporium. All #1 in my book. I ain't got time to do the fancy shopping, y'all. I got a middle schooler and an elementary schooler. And one's a cheerleader and the other one plays soccer. Lord, my schedule cray, so I ain't got time to do the fancy store stuff. Give this kind of a nice little mix together. My seasoning of choice for this is the Redmond real salt. Now, granted, you can use whatever spice you like. This is how you can dress up this recipe to fit the taste buds of you and your family. And wait, what? No flour? That's correct. This recipe has a zilcho flour. Yippee. You can see I have this all mixed up. I'm gonna grab my baking pan. You see I forgot to grab it. Oh, get a little glimpse of my head there. We're gonna put some parchment paper on here. We're gonna use our fork to spread this out thin. Spread it out as thin as possible. Remember, this is kind of like a cheese stick, breadstick. We don't like that crazy thick. And I do like to spray the top of it. This is one of my little secret tricks with your nonstick spray. I am using a coconut spray, which is interesting. I don't like coconut, but the spray does not affect me. Place this item in your oven for about 15 to 18 minutes and we're gonna take it on out. Look at this. Look at this. It is awesome. It is delicious. Cut it up, serve it. My kids tore into this. If you were too busy laughing and not writing down the recipe, scroll in the description box. And gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. I would be honored if you subscribe to this channel. And please continue watching the next video. Thanks, gang. Bye-bye.